Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 276. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 6. Oh, 6 and 8 here makes us our 2. That makes us our 6 and our 8. For this top row now, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got the 2 covering these two boxes, so it has to be here. We've got a 3 here, so that makes this our 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 2, and no help here, except for that 3, so 1, 2. That means our 3 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 8. No help here, 1, 2, 8. No help here, 1, 2, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 4. No help here, 3, 4, 5. No help here, 3, 4, 5. For this column, same thing. We're missing 3, 4, and 5. No help here. 3, 4, 5. Got a 5 and a 4 here. So that means this has to be our 3. And we can come back and get rid of these 3s. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here. So this is our 8. 2 here, that makes us our 1, 2. Then we can get rid of this 2 here. Also, that 8 makes this our 1, which would make this our 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. Or, sorry, 4 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 4, 6. 4, 6. And for this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. So the 5 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, so 1, 2. So that means the only place in that row our 6 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 6, 9, and 2 here. So that makes this our 6, 2, 9. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 covering, so that's 5, 8. Got 8 and 9 here. That makes this our 5, 8, 9. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. Now we can get rid of this 5 here. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 4 and 3. For this box now we're missing 1 and 5, and I still don't see any help. For this column we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 5. And 1, 5. The 1 also makes this our 2 and 1 and 2. So for this box now we're only missing a 1. And for this box we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.